30x plus 5.
Muthu?
Yeah? 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 Yeah?
Yeah! What the fish? Muthu?
Yes, Ma.
Are you deaf in the head? How many times do I have to say your name?
Ma, I said yeah the first time.
Shut up! Why are you lying?
I'm not, Ma.
And now he talks back to me. Go and get my glasses from my room.
I was just upstairs, Ma. Why couldn't you say that earlier?
And now he has the audacity to shout at me.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll go get it.
Good boy.